Hi, Marianne. My pediatrician recommended your site. He said that your explanation of how a 4-month-old's sleep changes was spot on and that I should follow your advice. He was right. Thanks to you and your tips, my 4-month-old son now sleeps through the night. I also wanted to thank you for encouraging us to work through sleep issues without quitting breastfeeding. I'll continue to share your site with all of my friends that have babies, and I can't thank you enough. I hope this video helps to spread the word.